Many suffer from stomach issues. Let's begin. Pawanmuktasana. Hold for 1 minute. Hold each pose for 1 to 5 minutes. From 1 minute to how long? Tell me. Now, do it gently. The fast-paced exercises are done. There is movement and rest. Prayer and effort. Engagement and withdrawal. Prosperity and salvation. To Pawanmuktasana continuously for 1 minute. Don't stop. Don't come back halfway. Whatever you do, do it with integrity. Hands on your thighs. Hold for 1 minute. This builds determination. Otherwise, you'll run away from the battlefield. Don't be a runner. Be awake. Be aware. Remain steadfast in your duty. Yoga refines your nature. It improves all the habits in your life. Now lift from both sides for Mandukasana. 1 minute. Lift and hold. Don't come down. Have patience for 1 minute. Toes together. Heels together. Point your toes. Toes together, heels together. Point your feet. Keep your knees straight. You collapsed. All right, come down. Turn to the left and sit up. Never leave work unfinished. Complete it. Say it. Complete yoga. Complete studies, complete work. Be a complete human being. Some are half human, half animal. People call them donkeys. Thumbs inside, close your fists. People call them names like donkeys or pigs. Why do they say this? Because they aren't complete humans. Those who do yoga fully will become complete humans. Thumbs in, fists closed. Do this for 1 minute. Many issues to fix. Exhale and bend forward. Don't come back before 1 minute. Bend forward and hold. Look straight ahead. Keep your neck straight. Some think this is nap time. Stay alert. Bend forward. Keep your neck straight. Just to knees. Hold it. We've done 3 of the 5 exercises. Pawanmuktasana, Uttanpadasana, Naukasana, Mandukasana. Do Yoga Mudrasana and Vakrasana. This cures stomach issues and diabetes. It is very powerful. We prescribe specific yoga for every disease. Hold the pose for at least this long. Bend forward and stay there. Squeeze your stomach in. Many suffer from stomach issues. Press the stomach in fully. Touch your chest to your knees. Neck straight. I say this with absolute conviction. If you do yoga with 100% perfection, you won't get sick. It's very simple. You will develop great skill, divinity, and sage-like qualities. Perfecting one asana improves all life habits. One good yoga habit fixes everything. It removes bad thoughts, bad sights, and bad listening. It removes bad speech, bad feelings, and bad actions. It cleanses impurities in diet, behavior, business, and relationships. It purifies personal, family, and social life. It removes corruption from economic and political life. A person becomes free from faults. It is a huge thing. Come back. Do Mandukasana or Shashakasana. Hands up. Exhale and bend forward. Bend down and hold. Hold for 1 minute. For those battling anxiety, depression, and mental disorders, yoga is a lifesaver. Hold any asana for 1 to 5 minutes. Start with 1 minute, build up to 5, like Shushasana. Open your legs. Now sit in Padmasana. Yoga Mudrasana for 1 to 5 minutes. Left hand below, right hand on top. Exhale and bend forward. Compress the stomach completely. Exhale and bend down. Millions suffer from stomach issues. Bad stomach, bad heart, bad mind. They complain, Swamiji, my stomach is bad. If the stomach is bad, the heart and mind suffer and life gets ruined. Exhale, bend forward and hold. Everyone do it. Little one, bend forward. Don't just sit there. Do it quietly. Do it. Don't laugh. Children should learn to finish what they start. Whether studying or doing yoga, it's our duty. From yoga to our personal duties, to our natural and human duties. We must form the habit of acting with integrity. This should be our nature. Come back. Who is this for? It's great for the stomach and diabetes. Legs straight. You can do Yoga Mudrasana. Now Vakrasana. Great for the stomach, back, and pancreas. Right leg across the left. Twist like this. Everyone wants 100% benefit. 100% results in health. In health, in education, agriculture or business, everyone wants 100% results. We want 100% benefit. We want 100% accuracy in all work. We want 100% efficiency in medicine. We want results. We want benefits. Yoga gives 100% benefit. 100% results. Transforming the body, senses, mind, and soul. 100% transformation in life. Divine expression, divine transformation. Any physical, mental, or emotional imbalance, everything gets balanced. Ultimately, yoga gives us a divine life. To Vakrasana on one side, then the other. It is completely safe. Complete it on the other side, slowly. Very slowly. Slowly. Twist fully. Children can do Purna or Ardha Matsyendrasana. Vakrasana is for everyone. Relax.